NASA's incredible space rescue mission, can they save a falling telescope? Imagine spending more than 20 years exploring the deepest mysteries of the universe. Then suddenly, your mission is about to end, not because you're broken, but because you're literally falling back to Earth. That's exactly what's happening to one of NASA's most important space telescopes. Instead of saying goodbye, NASA has launched an unprecedented rescue mission. A robotic spacecraft will attempt something never done before: catch a moving satellite in space and push it into a safer orbit. If it succeeds, it could change the future of space exploration forever. Chapter 1. Meet the Swift Observatory. The telescope at the center of this mission is the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory. Launched in 2004, Swift was built to detect one of the universe's most violent events, gamma-ray bursts. These powerful explosions can release more energy in seconds than our sun will produce during its entire lifetime. For more than 2 decades, Swift has helped scientists study black holes, neutron stars, exploding stars, and distant galaxies. It has become one of NASA's most valuable scientific observatories. But now, its greatest challenge isn't in deep space. It's much closer to home. Chapter 2. Why is it falling? Although Swift orbits hundreds of kilometers above Earth, it isn't flying through a perfect vacuum. Tiny traces of Earth's atmosphere still exist at that altitude. Recent solar activity has heated and expanded the upper atmosphere, creating more drag than usual. That drag is slowly pulling Swift toward Earth. Unlike many modern spacecraft, Swift wasn't designed with enough propulsion to raise its own orbit. Without help, scientists expected it to eventually re-enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up. Chapter 3. NASA's bold rescue plan. Instead of building a replacement telescope, NASA chose a daring new approach. The agency partnered with Catalyst Space Technologies to build a robotic spacecraft called Link. Link launched aboard the final flight of the historic Pegasus XL rocket, which was released from a specially modified aircraft flying over the Pacific Ocean. Once in orbit, Link must slowly approach Swift. This isn't easy. Swift has no docking port. It was never designed to be captured. Using robotic arms, cameras, and sensors, Link will carefully grab the telescope without damaging it. If successful, the spacecraft will gently boost Swift into a much higher orbit over the following weeks, giving the observatory years of additional life. Chapter 4. Why this mission matters. This mission isn't just about saving one telescope. It's about proving that satellites can be repaired, rescued, and upgraded instead of simply being abandoned. Imagine future spacecraft that can refuel satellites, repair damaged equipment, remove dangerous space debris, extend missions that would otherwise end. This could save billions of dollars and dramatically reduce space junk orbiting Earth. Some experts even believe this technology could one day help maintain future space stations and missions to the Moon and Mars. Chapter 5. What happens next? Over the coming weeks, Link will slowly close the distance to Swift. Every movement must be incredibly precise. A small mistake could damage both spacecraft. If everything goes according to plan, Link will secure the observatory and raise it to a safer orbit, allowing Swift to resume observing the universe. If the mission fails, Swift will continue losing altitude until it eventually burns up during re-entry. That's why scientists are calling this one of the most ambitious satellite rescue missions ever attempted. Conclusion. For decades, Swift has watched distant galaxies, black holes, and the brightest explosions in the universe. Now, for the first time, humanity is trying to rescue one of its own scientific explorers. This mission isn't just about saving a telescope. It's about proving that the future of space exploration doesn't always mean launching something new. Sometimes, it means saving what we already have. If Link succeeds, history will remember this as the beginning of a new era, where spacecraft don't simply die in orbit. They get a second chance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible space stories. Because the next breakthrough in space exploration could happen at any moment.